I didn't say that, it's me, Thomas Edward, also known as T. Welcome to a bit of nighttime bashing. Can't beat nighttime bashing, it's better than daytime bashing. But look, oh look, I'm doing a bit of old Winston Link sort of photography work tonight. It's all pro stuff on the TE team. And we're gonna watch in about, not long, about 10 minutes time, a Royal Scott's gonna come down. And we're going to try and capture it in the night like we did with that engine, what was the wallpaper engine a few months ago. We're going to do it slightly differently tonight in a different aspect, so to speak. And then the next time you'll see me, we'll be back on railway seat at home. Didn't see you come in there. I'm just catching up on me ASLEF monthly magazine. I'll just put that down there. So I've come back from watching the Royal Scot. I've come through the outskirts of Grange Road Sands in the darkness with a bit of a TE atmosphere with 2 camera setup. We had the Canon and the DJI. You make your mind up which one you like the best, because the Canon's got good pros and cons, just to say, and the DJI's got pros and cons. But the DJI is an actually better camera in the low light, so to speak. So anyway, that was Royal Scot. It was 46-100. It actually is, the class of it is a Royal Scot, but it's actually named Royal Scot. But originally it wasn't named Royal Scot. That sort of come as a later date. It has quite an interesting past, like they all do, steam engines. They're all living and breathing things, and they've all had an interesting past. So, sort of early on in 30s, it actually did a bit of showbiz and flew across, or went on a boat, I should say, to Canada as a bit of a world tour, so to speak, to show the Canadians how good British engineering is, you know, the power of steam and what they can do. And then it came back, and when it came back in the 40s or 50s, it had a big overhaul and refurbishment. And then it didn't really, it had a nice overhaul, and then it went into the 60s, and it got withdrawn, and on its way to the scrapyard, it got saved by Billy Butlin, you know, the Butlin's holiday camps. So he saved it and used it for his engine at Skegness. So it had a bit of showbiz. Later on, it had even more showbiz. And then today it's owned by Mr. Brexit at Crewe. It's one of his fleet, and that was one of his his trains tonight in the diesel on the back. The Class 47 was one of his. He owns more engines than Pete Waterman does, and that's saying something these days. He's got a bit of cash. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give us a like, you give us a comment, you give us a subscribe. There's merch below, and you can join Patreon to support what I do. And also remember to click that big bell. Ding!
Right, everybody, it's Daddy Wrinkles here. Yeah, I've got a great act for you coming up now. This is Mr. Barry Ogg, all the way from Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas. Take it away, Barry. Nice. Hey up, fly me to moon. Let me play among the stars. Thanks, Daddy Wrinkles. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold me hands. Hi, hold me hand, Chuck. Hey. In other words, hey, baby, kiss me. Hi, go on, Chuck, give us a kiss. Fill me heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Getting with it now. In other words, please be true. Aye. In other words, I love you. Come on now, let's do it. Come on. Hey up. No, shake it, lovey, shake it. Aye. No, don't do that. This children's present. Oh. Hey up. Hello, Rose. How's your nose? Oh, hello, Jack. How's your back? Hello, Annie. Haven't seen you for quite a while. How's your husband? Hey, it's the way I tell him. Aye. Okay, everybody. Let's get it together again. Come on. Here we go. Fill me up with song. Let me sing forevermore. You were all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true, let's go for it. In other words, I love you. Hey up, hey, cracking that were, weren't it? Did you like that? Yeah, it was great, that Barry. Yeah, fantastic, nice one, my son.